Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the last Disney Treasures box, Ever After Castle. So yeah, this is the final box of the annual subscription. As far as I know, I don't think there's going to be any more boxes, or maybe, I'm not sure, because I know they canceled these boxes online, so they're no longer going to be subscription boxes. So they canceled the Disney Treasures, they canceled Smuggler's Bounty, Collector Core, and Legion of Collectors as well. So they've all been canceled. They're just running out whatever's left of the annual subscriptions. So I'm not sure if there's one more after this. I know technically this is the last stop of this year for this box. I don't know if there's going to be another one after this because of the whole cancellation thing. According to Funko, they sent out emails to all the subscribers letting everyone know that they're no longer going to be having these boxes as subscription boxes, but they are planning on having them available as retail boxes with certain retailers. I don't know which one, they didn't say, so I'm assuming maybe because there's 4 different boxes, they might go to 4 different retailers just to spread it out. So maybe Hot Topic might get one, maybe Target, maybe Toys R Us, I'm not sure. And then, you know, whenever they do release them, you would be able to get them in store only. So, kind of sucks. I'm disappointed about that. This is one of the better value subscription boxes in general. I didn't get all the Disney Treasures because I didn't like all the themes, but that's what was great. You could just skip it. You didn't have to get every single one. You could just skip certain themes. But yeah, I don't know. This is the last one that I think I'm getting, definitely, because unless I find it in store. But it's, you know, it's disappointing because these were really good quality and hard to get in the sense that they were exclusive. Like you had to be a subscriber. So yeah, like a lot of the items that you can get in this box, you can't get anywhere else, which I assume is going to be the same thing when they go to retail, but it's just a hassle. You know, as it is, there's a lot of issues with Funko and the retailers, like certain retailers like Target or Walmart. Like the employees destroy the boxes, or, you know, like they don't really care because they don't know their collectibles, and that, you know, a lot of them, you know, we want to keep in the box, and that's part of the value. So you get damaged boxes, crushed, ripped, sliced open with box cutters by accident, stepped on, crazy stuff. And that's if you find them. A lot of times, you know, they do know that they're worth money, and they see store exclusives or chases, and the employees take them, you know, purchase them for themselves or hide them, and or give them only to their friends, sell them to their friends, stuff like that. So, you know, I easily see same thing happening with these boxes. We've seen what happens, you know, well, if you're into Funko Pops and everything, we've seen what happens with GameStop, the mystery boxes, like they have the Thanksgiving Black Friday boxes, and, you know, those were a fiasco some years because you could tell by the weight which one had like the special chase one, and those were getting taken by the employees, or like they were getting open previous because they weren't wrapped up, and then they wrapped them, and then it was just a mess. Though stores didn't get a lot of them, they only got a few, they didn't get enough, some stores got too many and they sat around. It was just a disaster, which sadly I think is what's going to happen with these boxes, and then Funko's just going to phase them out because it's just not going to be worth the effort. So anyway, enough doom and gloom. Let's open this up and get happy. We open up the box, and oh, we have our little patch and pin holder. Ooh, they haven't done that in a while, I feel like, in the Funko boxes. I guess we're going out with a bang. So right on top, we see our patch and our pin. So let's look at the patch first. We have Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast. And I'm not that into the patches. These are supposed to all go together. These are all supposed to go together and form like one large patch. But I didn't get all the boxes, so I'm not going to be able to make the giant patch. So I really, I could take it or leave it. It looks cute. I don't know about Lumiere's design. It seems, I don't know, it just doesn't look appropriate. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's me and my dirty mind, but I don't know. That looks like something I shouldn't be mentioning with a Disney box. So yeah, there's Lumiere. Moving on from that awkwardness. So we have our pin. And I was just thinking, duh, the Disney box could go to the Disney store. I don't know how that would work. I would think Disney Store would be able to handle it much more professionally than other retailers. So we have our pin. There you can see we have Donald and Daisy. They're so cute. And as usual, the back has the Mickey Mouse cover. That's the pin. It's like a nice rubbery, really good quality. The pins in the Disney box, I feel, are such good quality compared to the other boxes. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so now we're going to get into the actual box. And then here we can see that it has the map. So if you look here, we have the Disney Treasures map, and it shows everywhere that we've gone on our journey. So, you know, I think we started in Pirates Cove, we went to Tiny Town, Haunted Forest, Snowflake Mountain, Festival of Friends. That might have been, I don't know if might have been earlier. And then now Ever After Castle. And that's it. There's nowhere else to go. So I think I am right that this is the final box. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we got. There we go, and yep, there it is. Ah, yes, the pop that I have been waiting for. So we always get the sticker that's on the top of the box. And here is the pop. Oh, yes. A little dusty. It's been sitting around. Oh, what is this? What's this? It's like a little paper. So here we go. We have Ariel and Eric from The Little Mermaid. And in their wedding outfits. Oh, so cute. So it has the Disney Treasures exclusive sticker. Really cute. There's Eric on the side. Here we see the mock-up. Really pretty. There's Ariel. And I don't know if you can see her veil in the back. It's translucent. Really pretty. I love the way that looks. Gorgeous. And then the background, it looks like it's the palace. Yeah, it's Eric's palace. Really pretty. I love this. So that 2-pack is really awesome. Like, we've never gotten an Eric before, and we've gotten Ariel, but not in her wedding dress. So that's unique. So then we have our little mystery mini. I do know what's in here because I've seen other unboxings. Obviously, I mentioned that before, and they did say that you're gonna get one of 2 in here. Well, you're gonna get one, and there's the partner you can get later. So I don't know if that means it's going to be offered on the Disney Treasures website or somewhere else at the Disney store. I don't know. But you can see right here at the top we have Mickey and Minnie. And then we have Mickey's house. And around the corner is Minnie's. Super cute. There's a little close-up so you can see it better. Minnie and Mickey's house. Top. Disney Treasure sticker on the bottom. Open up the tin. We have our mystery figure, which is not really a mystery to me. But if you don't know, here she is. Minnie Mouse. She is so cute. Very vintage style. I love her outfit. Her little tail. Little yellow shoes. Super cute. I love the little pie cut eyes. Very cute. So there is a Mickey that goes with her. And they do mention, I think I saw it when I saw the Funko unboxing. They did mention in their unboxing that you could maybe get him, which pretty much means you probably will be able to get him. So I don't know if that's going to be available in the Funko shop or in the Disney Treasures website, you know, on the online store for current subscribers. I don't know, especially with the boxes ending the way they are. But if it is, I'm definitely going to get it because that would be so cute, the little set of them. I think it's adorable, and, I like the style of it, the very vintage. Okay, and then the final item in here, I'm really excited for this one. So we have Pocket Pops. So this is Pocket Pop keychains, and this is Lady and the Tramp. So that's it. Our final Disney Treasures box. It's empty. It's all done. So what really excites me about this is something I saw in another unboxing. So I've seen a couple of unboxings, and wait, let me do it from the bottom. I don't want to mess up the box. And nobody except one person did this because nobody opened these. Like, a lot of people get this, and like with the Funko, you don't take them out of the box. Like, that's part of they keep their value. You keep them in the box. You know, some I usually do take them out eventually to take pictures or you know, like review and stuff like that. But more expensive ones I try not to take out of the box. But these are the little keychains, so I don't think it's a big deal to take them out. Oh, it has a little background. How cute is that? Oh, it's like little hearts and like let me zoom in. Little background. It's like hearts and like fireworks. So cute. Alright, so that's the little background, which I thought was cute. Now, the two keychains right there. So let's take them out. Which this is really cool. I love the packaging. It's very secure. So they're held in there very well. So what I saw in this one review, which I haven't seen anyone else realize. So we have our two little pops. And, you got a preview of it. All right, hold on. I'm going to zoom it in because you need to see this. Okay, so here we have Lady and the Tramp. Get them closer. Get them closer. They have magnets and they kiss! Ah! Sorry, I think I went supersonic high pitched right there. How cute is that? Look, they're kissing! I love it. I can't. Oh my god, so cute. So stinking cute. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I can't believe they did that. That is such a cute little surprise. And you'd only know if you actually took them out of the packaging. Like, they have the little magnet. And they kiss. Oh, just like the famous scene with the spaghetti. I love it. It's one of my favorite movies. Most Disney movies I love. But this is definitely from my childhood. Like, I had the VHS. I used to watch it all the time. You know, I thought it was such a cute, romantic movie. You know, I loved Lady. I thought she was so elegant and pretty. And Tramp was just like, you know, such a like streetwise, you know, like little ruffian, and I was like, why does she even like him? He's so mean, and kids. But yeah, this is actually I think my favorite item in this box. I really enjoy this. That whole magnet thing, that just made the little pop for me. Like, this is never going away. Like, this is staying in my collection forever. Yeah, I'm never getting rid of this. Usually Pocket Pops, I give them, you know, like to my sisters, like my little sisters, gifts, or I give them away because I don't really like keychains like this because you can't use them. You know, they get damaged right away, and then, you know, then it's all messed up. You can't use them anymore. You know, it's kind of depressing because they get all faded. So it's like when you really like a character, and then you put him on your keychain like a month later, like his left eye's like rubbed out, and he's got like, you know, like marks because, you know, you use your keys, you're throwing them in your purse, you're throwing them around in your pocket and stuff, and they're, you know, getting scratched. But yeah, this is super cute. I love the magnets. I love that they actually kiss. That is super cute. It's perfect. I love the packaging. I've never seen this before with the two Pocket Pops in one. So unique. And yeah, this is awesome. Like, I love the pop. The 2-pack, it's great. Everyone's been asking for it. To me, those Pocket Pops made this box. Like, adore them. Adore them. So yeah, very sad that this is the last Disney Treasures box, unless I happen to find one, you know, at the retail store. They haven't really released new information yet. You know, they're just letting everyone know that they're phasing them out from subscription. So, you know, I'm going to link it down below if you want to look at it. You know, you can go to the website and stuff, but you cannot purchase any more boxes unless you're a current subscriber, and that's pretty much like to buy past boxes that you might have missed or something. Okay? So, yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below if you like my channel, if you like my content. Hit the subscribe button, click the like, let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.